Hi guys. Long time no see, right? I know. So I want to first start off by apologizing if my voice does not sound like what it usually sounds like. I'm battling like a really bad sore throat. Really bad, okay? So my apologies if I sound a little mannish. Other than that, this video is just going to be like a really quick video. I get so many like inboxes, text messages, comments on my posts asking me like where I've been, what I've been doing, why I'm not doing videos, and all these other type of questions. That this is just going to be like a really quick update video to let you guys kind of know what's been going on with me and what's kind of, to come. So first, as a lot of you guys know, I took like right around like a 2 month detox from social media. I wasn't on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. I was on like no social media platform, and that's because I needed to take time to focus on my family, my business ventures, and things like that. I'm back now, but that was an awesome break. I would recommend everybody do that once in a while. Let's see what else. Speaking of family, I just got back from Buenos Aires, Argentina. Not too long ago, visiting family. As a lot of you guys know, I have family down there. And I cannot wait to go back. I also just got back from Philadelphia for an ISPE convention. For anybody who does not know what an ISPE convention is, it's a convention for medical engineering. So they have it annually every year. So if you can try to make it next year, you'll probably see me there. A lot of you guys have also been asking me about my wedding. A lot of you guys know that I posted, what was that, right around, well, I don't know, probably around like 6 or 7 months ago, that I was engaged. And a lot of you guys have been asking me about the wedding. The wedding has not happened yet. It's actually been postponed due to just life reasons. Life happened and everything has been kind of like pushed back and postponed. I will keep you guys updated and kind of like in the forefront about everything, but for right now that's kind of been postponed. What else? Oh, I'm discontinuing, well, I'm not gonna say discontinuing, I'm putting on hold my herbal line. Okay, my www.balancethyself.net. I'm putting that on hold because I'm resuming back videos. The reason that I was doing my herbal line for like so hard is because I had the time to, because I was not doing videos. Now I'm about to start back doing videos, so that's gonna be on hold for a little bit. So the shop tab on my website, everything has been like taken down. So you can still go on there and look around at products, but you can't like actually purchase anything. I do have a new website that's coming pretty soon. That's gonna like it's gonna like house all of my videos and information about me and everything like that. I'm not sure exactly what the URL is gonna be or the domain. I'm looking at something like www.iamoliviaalexa.com or something like that. But I'll keep you guys posted on that as well. Um, let's see. In a couple of weeks, December 12th through the 14th, I will actually be in Atlanta, Georgia, doing a couple of video collaborations, and I'm really excited to like bring you guys. So stay on the lookout for that. I'll also be uploading one new video every single week. It'll be a new video uploaded to my YouTube channel, and it'll also be uploaded to Facebook and just every social media platform. So I am resuming back videos. For everybody that has been like hounding me and asking me, like, that is definitely coming. And my first video will actually drop next week. Let's see. Oh, I'm also in the middle of writing an ebook. I'm actually almost done with it, but I'm not quite done with it. So I'm in the middle of doing that, and because I've had a lot of people ask me about that, like, do I have any books that I've written, or do I have any book that I'm currently writing? So I do have an ebook that I'm currently writing, so just be patient with that. Yeah, that's where I've been. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. I mean, I've just been like, living life and, loading up knowledge from my arsenal to piss people off, because it seems like that's what I do best, you know. But that's about it. So like I said, new video will drop next week. Be on the lookout for the video collaborations that I'll be doing in a couple of weeks. Also, that'll be dropping soon. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will be uploading videos there first. That's first priority. I'm Olivia Alexa on YouTube. It's underscore Olivia underscore Alexa on Instagram and all of that good stuff. So I'm not hard to find. Just Google me. If you Google me, all of the social media platforms will pop up. So I love you guys. I appreciate all of the support and love that you guys have given me through like this little hiatus period that I've gone through. Um, and I just really, really, really love and I enjoy you guys. Until the next video, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.